this one is one from the pot. This one is from here. No, yes. You're lying. Today I want to test whether I can tell the difference in taste between steamed rice cooked in Nambu iron pot against a dairy rice cooker. I have here today with me a rice expert. Come on, rice expert. You gulped 6 bowls of rice for lunch yesterday, didn't you? So let's see whether she can tell the difference in taste between this pot and a daily rice cooker. First, I want to explain about the measuring unit that we use for rice. This measuring cup holds about 180 milliliter of water instead of US standard 200 millimeters. So when you fill the rice to its rim, then it will hold about 150 grams of rice. And that unit is called go in Japanese. So it goes like ichigo, nigo, sango, 1 cup, 2 cups, 3 cups respectively. Now, how much water to put in? For me, I follow the simple principle: 1 cup full of rice to 1 cup full of water to the new volume of rice after washing the rice. And what do I mean by that? Well, let me demonstrate. So I'm going to cook about 4 cups of rice today. So I'm going to wash 4 cups of rice. So let me demonstrate how to do it. To the limb. So that's 1 cup. So I'm going to wash 4 cups and let it dry in a sieve for 30 minutes. We'll see whether it remains as 4 cups full or not. So 30 minutes have elapsed. Let's measure how many cups of rice we have now. One cup. What do we know? We almost have 5 cups now. Obviously, rice soaked up water and expanded its volume. So when I apply 1:1 ratio, it is now the new volume of rice after washing. So instead of putting 4 cups of water, I'll be putting 5 cups of water. But it's more practical to multiply about 1.2 times the original 4 cups as an estimation. So I would work out in my head it will be 4.8. So it's more or less similar, 4.8, 5 cups of water. Now I wanted to mention about this minor point because sushi rice recipe may instruct to put 10% less water after washing to compensate for the vinegar to put in later. So this idea will be helpful because if it's 10% less, it will be not 3.6 cups, but it's probably like 4.5 cups. By the way, I found an excellent site that talks about how to wash rice for your reference. I'll put a link below in the description. So let's divide up this rice into 2, one for daily rice cooker and this iron pot. Well, let's start with the rice cooker because it's going to take more time. So all I have to do is take, since it's 2.5 each, so I'll do 2.5 and about half. That's about half. Now all I have to do is put the equivalent amount of water. So that's after washing. So I just put it, pour in 1 cup, 2 cup, and half. It says it's gonna take 50 minutes. Then I'll move on to the pot. I know it's 2.5 left, so I'm just gonna pour in. One cup, 2 cups. We'll almost use that, 2.5. And full power until it goes to boiling. So as you can see, it's probably starting to boil now, so I'm gonna turn to low heat and set the timer for 15 minutes as the recipe instructs. 3, 2, 1, 0. I'm going to turn up the heat for maximum for about 1 to 2 minutes. It smells a bit of burning, so I'm gonna turn it off and rest it for 20 minutes. In fact, I'm gonna do a timer again for 20 minutes. So in 20 minutes it will finish. This one has still have 27 minutes to go. And 20 minutes have elapsed and it's done. So let's wait for this rice cooker to finish, which is about in 6 minutes. But meantime, we can have a look. It's gonna be very hot. See that? I'm gonna mix it. Oh, what do you know? There's just show you if you like okoge, it's a bit of the burnt one, the crispy one. See how nicely they made okoge, which is only possible because we use this pot. Wait for a few more minutes. I'll get my tester to get ready. So it's done. Takes quite a bit of time, doesn't it? Alright, so we'll just test it. Okay, turn around so you don't see which one I'll be pouring in. Yeah, okay, taste it. Which one is which? Is it the same? Same rice you eat all the time? Can you tell the difference? 違いわかる? わかる? You know? Okay, tell me. So, this one...
こっち.
Is this one? And this one is this? なんでわかった? How did you find out?
おこげの味する.
Ah, so there's a toasty smell from that okoge. That's why she could tell the difference. And which one do you like? こっちってどっちの方?
こっちの
Oh, she liked this one because maybe it's something for a change. Okay, I'll try that. And okay, let's try it for mine. So I want you to mix. I want you to take white one, and when you put this, you put okoge here.
こっちはおこげじゃなくておこげ草なんですよ。
Okay, just then mix a little bit. She said it's smelly, but that's the personal opinion. Okay, put this here, and mix it a little bit. Mix a little bit the okoge. I'll turn around. Which is which? Oh, okay. So both have okoge. She obviously put in, and I'm gonna taste.
どっちがどっちだったの?
Ah, it's quite obvious. Ah, this one is one from the pot. This one is here. No, yes. You're lying. Oh, it's really. What? Wait a minute.
本当にそれがそれだと思う？
Yeah,
え？
she's trying to bluff. This one has a toasty flavor, though she put some okoge on top. But the thing is, the rice texture is a little bit more sticky with this rice cooker, whereas for the pot one, I find it's more kind of firm, and it's really a personal preference. That's my verdict. But you can tell right away because it's got the okoge, and that tells you sometimes you're not using like a machine. Somebody used pot, so that gives you a premium feeling. So, and it cooks faster, but needs constant care. Constant care. This one's easy. So, really, there's pros and cons. So, this is how we can cook rice. And if June can cook, so can you.